in, out. Again, when you breathe, you have to breathe normally. I'm doing meditation, now I should breathe, not very fast, very slow, not like that. Simply normal. So like that. Now, when we do that, now again there will be another disturbances apart from monkey. Now what is that disturbances? That this in Tibetan is called jingge. Now, before when you are sitting, there are so many thoughts. So because of thoughts you are engaged and you are active. But now you are concentrating only on the breath. So when you try to decrease the thought and concentrate on the breath, when your thought become less, you will fall asleep now. A sleeping man will have no thoughts. A thinking man will not sleep. Can someone sleep thinking? No. When they think, they cannot sleep. When they sleep, no thoughts. So therefore, now concentrating on the breath, thoughts become less and less and less. So concentrating on the breath, aware of breath, you fall asleep. So when you feel like sleeping, now you should, again you have to stretch your body. I hope you guys are not feeling not asleep. Okay. So, and this is the practice. Just be aware. Know that you are thinking. No, know that you are just breathing. So this practice you have to continue. You have to continue this practice. So one day, practicing this early in the morning, when nobody gets up, just get up and be in the cushion. If it is cold, use little bit of this one. And try to breathe like 30 minutes, like 10 minutes, 20 minutes. Then be in the kitchen, take advantage of 5 minutes, sit and take advantage. In the office, keep computer, keep hand like this sometimes, thinking so that other people will think you are working. But do meditation. Okay? And sometimes watch TV, but watching TV, concentrate on the breath. Watch the TV, but concentrate on the breath. Sleeping, concentrate on the breath. Until and unless you do not do this dream yoga. If you do dream yoga, then you can concentrate on the up. So that is more than enough actually. It is safe. So now what is going to happen? What you are going to happen? You are breathing. Now you are going to concentrate on the breathing. So the more aware of your breath, more you get familiarized with breath, and concentration develops. So gradually you can stay more with the breath. So when thought comes, one day you will know the thought is coming, but you will not lose the breath. Just now, in the beginning, breathing thought comes, your breath lost. You reach somewhere. Oh, I reach somewhere. Now again coming to breathe. This is very important. You must keep in the mind. As a meditator, you must keep in the mind. This is very important. Concentrate on the breath. Aware of breath. Again, you think something and your breath forgotten. You will completely forget and you will go to again another thought. So like that, so you should know that your thought, and you are lost with the thought. So again, come back to the breath. After some times, practicing, many hours practicing, one day you will reach to the state that you can be with the breath and you can think. You can think also, you can be on the breath. When you think, you don't lose the object. You don't lose this breathing. I know that, okay, I'm going there in the Bangkok city, okay, I'm reaching there, but still half part of your mind will be on the breath. You will be on the breath and you can think. Before when you think, your breath gone. You forgot the breath. But after practicing, you will be on the breath. You will on the breath, but again thoughts will come. Thought comes, no problem, but you will be on the breath. Okay, once you start meditating from the beginning till end, you are going to be on the breathing. So like that. So you have to practice this for many times. Many times you have to practice that. After some time practicing this, then that thoughts become shorter, powerless. When this thought become powerless, the more concentration on the breath becomes stronger. More and more concentration, more awareness, more thoughts. One day thought will vanish. There will be no thoughts. Only breathing will be there. So you will be in the breathing. Then after some time, you will become one with the breathing. Then, if you go more one with the breathing, that means now you are achieving almost like 9 stages.